Hello and welcome to the MP3 Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to dive into an important topic. Is a certain mindset really necessary for success? I'm excited to guide you through how your mindset can be the defining factor in your personal and professional success. At MP3 Academy, we believe that cultivating the right mindset, alongside daily learning and practical exercises, can unlock your full potential. Let's explore how adopting a success-driven mindset can help you overcome challenges and turn your ambitions into reality. The question of whether a certain mindset is necessary for success is central to personal development and life optimization. While external resources and skills are essential, the mindset with which we approach life plays a defining role in how far we go. A mindset focused on growth, resilience, and determination allows individuals to overcome setbacks, embrace opportunities, and continue advancing toward their goals. It's clear that, without the right mental attitude, even the most talented people may fall short of achieving their full potential. For our complete list of MP3 Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support MP3 Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, MP3 Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. If you'd like to stay updated with all our new content, simply subscribe to the MP3 Academy YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe option attached to the logo in the bottom right corner of the video. It's that easy. Just hover your mouse over the logo and click the subscribe option. A critical aspect of a success-oriented mindset is the belief in the ability to improve. This belief is part of what is known as a growth mindset, where individuals see challenges as learning opportunities rather than barriers. People with this mindset recognize that their abilities are not fixed and that through continuous effort, they can develop and grow. This growth-oriented approach creates an environment where failure is seen as a stepping stone to success, encouraging persistence and long-term development. Another essential component of a success-driven mindset is resilience. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, but what matters most is how we respond to them. Resilience allows individuals to bounce back from failure and keep moving forward. Those with a resilient mindset are not easily discouraged by temporary setbacks. Instead, they use these experiences to refine their strategies and grow stronger. This mental toughness is a key factor in achieving both short-term victories and long-term success. Focus and clarity are other crucial aspects of a success mindset. Those who achieve their goals understand the importance of staying focused on their objectives and avoiding distractions. With so many opportunities for distraction in today's fast-paced world, having a clear sense of direction and purpose is essential. A focused mindset ensures that individuals stay on course, continually working toward their larger goals without being sidetracked by short-term impulses. Self-discipline plays an equally important role in cultivating a success-oriented mindset. The ability to remain committed to your goals, even when motivation wanes, separates those who succeed from those who fall short. Discipline is what keeps you pushing forward when the excitement of starting something new fades and the hard work begins. With a mindset that values discipline, individuals build habits that support their long-term goals, staying the course even in challenging times. A flexible mindset that embraces change and adaptability is also crucial. Success often depends on the ability to adjust to new circumstances and remain open to evolving strategies. Those who resist change risk becoming stuck, while those who embrace it can pivot and seize new opportunities. Adaptability ensures that as the world around you changes, you can continue to thrive by adjusting your approach and remaining proactive. A success-oriented mindset also requires personal responsibility. Taking ownership of your actions and their outcomes fosters a proactive approach to challenges. Individuals who take responsibility for their successes and failures are empowered to make necessary changes and stay accountable to their goals. This level of self-awareness and accountability is essential for continuous improvement and long-term achievement. Confidence is another key aspect of a success mindset. Without self-belief, it is difficult to take the risks and bold actions necessary for growth. Confidence doesn't mean you won't experience doubt, but it gives you the courage to move forward regardless. A mindset that embraces confidence propels individuals out of their comfort zones, helping them tackle ambitious goals with the conviction that they can handle whatever challenges arise. Positivity is equally important when cultivating a mindset for success. A positive outlook allows individuals to remain optimistic and solution-oriented even during difficult times. This mindset focuses on what's possible rather than on limitations, encouraging creativity and resilience. Positivity also promotes a proactive approach to challenges, as it helps individuals see setbacks as temporary hurdles rather than permanent barriers. Lastly, continuous improvement is vital for long-term success. A mindset that values ongoing learning and development ensures that individuals stay relevant and competitive in their fields. Those with a fixed mindset may become complacent after reaching a certain level of success, but those with a growth mindset are always seeking new ways to evolve. This commitment to self-growth helps maintain momentum and ensures sustained success over time. In conclusion, while skills and resources are important, a certain mindset is truly necessary for success. A mindset that embraces growth, resilience, self-discipline, adaptability, responsibility, confidence, and positivity is what drives individuals toward their goals. By cultivating these mental attitudes, you not only set yourself up for short-term success, but also ensure long-term growth and fulfillment. Your mindset is the foundation of your journey toward achieving personal and professional greatness. At MP3 Academy, we help individuals develop the right mindset for success step by step. Through repeated listening and daily exercises, our modules encourage the formation of healthy thinking and action patterns that foster self-improvement, self-development, and self-growth. By guiding you through the process of setting and achieving SMART goals, we ensure that you stay focused on your objectives while constantly building new healthy habits. As you obtain measurable results, your self-esteem and self-confidence grow, further empowering you on your journey to success.